welcome to Cooking Cutie Pie AI. Today we're going to show you how to make this super savory, scrumptious, and very easy instant boat noodle. Let's look at the ingredients. I will provide them in the description box below so you can check that out, alright? So let's get started. First of all, we'll need a pack of boat noodle, shrimp, chili, onion, meatloaf or meatball, mint, cilantro, and you can use whatever ingredient you have at home and what you like, alright? So we will cook the shrimp in the microwave for 2 minutes. So when it's done, look at that, it's cooked, so we'll set that aside. Now we'll prepare the noodle. We'll open the instant boat noodle package out, take all the seasoning and set that aside for later use. And then we'll pour boiling water into the noodle. We'll just add enough water to cover the noodle. Now let's move the noodle around. And we'll let it soak for about 1 minute or so until the noodles soften a little bit. If you're already a subscriber on Cooking Cutie Pie AI channel, welcome back. But if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join our growing community of food lovers. Okay, so now it looks like the noodle a little softened up. So we'll drain the water and transfer to a new bowl, which is the bowl that we're going to prepare season our noodle, alright? Add in the onion slice. Time to season our noodle. Just open the whole seasoning package and then pour it all on the noodle in the bowl. This is the oil that came with the noodle. Now we'll pour boiling water, hot water, into the noodle. Make sure don't use too much water or else the seasoning will not be enough for this noodle soup, alright? So we'll just add enough water to cover the noodle and then mix that around to make sure all the seasoning are dissolved into the water first. After that, we'll add in all the meat, the shrimp, and all the herbs, which is mint, cilantro, and the chili. If you don't like spicy, omit the chili, alright? The seasoning in this package already enough or savory enough for you already, so you don't have to add any salt or any fish sauce or any seasoning at all, which is pretty easy and convenient for anyone that is very busy and haven't tried boat noodle before. Then this is how you make it. So you will taste it. I like it a little bit sour, so I'm adding a slice of lemon juice. You can find this instant boat noodle online or through your local Asian supermarket. Followed by fried onion or fried garlic. Add a little bit or a tiny touch of black pepper. And also a little bit, about a half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon chili oil. Omit this chili oil if you can't tolerate any spicy. There you have it. The tastiest and easiest instant boat noodle soup brought to life with the help of AI. Be sure to give this recipe a try and Let us know how it turned out for you in the comment down below. Have you ever had Thai boiled noodle or instant boiled noodle before? I want to point out that this recipe I am making accordingly to my preference. But if you don't want any of this meat or condiment that I put in here, you can certainly omit them and use all your preferred meat and condiment in there, alright? Look at that. The noodle is not too soft or soggy at all. It's just perfect. Time to taste it. Oh my goodness. You can't believe how good it is. It's so good in all the soup. The flavor is just perfect. Everything that we put in here go really well together. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's super easy to make, under 10 minutes, and you already have this super scrumptious noodle soup to enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more AI-powered recipe from AI Culinary Creation. And until next time, happy cooking!